Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rex from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top left and we're going to draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Now inside, towards the center, let's add another circle for the pupils. And color these both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's add a curve down. Now top on top, and let's add a bump up on the left and a larger one out on the right side. Then let's curve it down on the right side. Now to continue the shape of the head, let's hop to the left and let's draw a larger curve out like this. And then let's curve it all the way back in and up, stopping here. Now on the right, let's add a curve down. And another curve underneath, leaving a gap for the teeth. And then let's curve it back up and across underneath. Now inside the gap we left, let's draw some V-shaped points down for the teeth. And lastly, for the head here, let's add 2 curves up on the left for the nostrils. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a curve down on the right. And another one going in underneath on the left for the neck. And close it off with a curve across. Next, we're going to hop down and draw the first arm with a small bump and 2 angles down to the right side. Now let's bring each line over to the left. Now for the hand, let's start at the top and let's bring it out and add a small bump down. And then 2 more to close off the hand. Now we're going to hop back up underneath the neck and let's curve it down and into the arm here. And then continue it out on the other side. Now we're going to add the other arm on the left. Let's draw 2 curves down. Now let's add the first finger with a curve down and up. And another curve underneath. And bring it all the way back up. And that's it for the arms. Now let's continue the body. Let's hop back up to the neck and let's draw a large wavy line over on top. Now on the right side here, let's add the first leg. We'll start with a large curve up and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Now from the left side, let's curve it over to the body and back out underneath. And then underneath on the right side, let's add a long curve down. Now top back over to the left and let's draw a wavy line down like this. And then close it off at the bottom. Now top in and add the toenails by drawing a curve down on the left. Then we're going to leave a small gap and curve it up and back down. Now let's add another toe on the left with a curve down and back in. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's add the next one underneath the body here. Underneath the body on the left, let's draw 2 lines down. A large curve down on the left. And an angle in on the right side. And then close it off at the bottom. Now top in, and for the toes, let's add a curve down on the left. Leave a gap and let's bring it up and curve it down. And again, one more toe coming out on the left side. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's hop to the right and draw the tail. Let's start with a wavy line down and out. And let's bring it back in underneath. And that's it for Rex. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!